Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. Here today I got an office trailer we're going to show you. Now we primarily do these in 20 and 24 foot models, but we can get you any size you want. Now this is an 8.5 by 20. Let's walk around and show you here. We've got the extended tongue on the front. That's really good for construction sites, especially if you're using a service body truck or a flatbed truck, something that's got a full 8.5 foot wide. Don't have to worry about jackknifing it into your front of your trailer as much. Or if you just can't drive, that'll help you out there too. Now we've got a mini split AC unit on this. This is a fully serviceable by any AC technician. Keep it a lot cooler than the rooftop ACs. And like I said, serviceable where the rooftop ACs aren't serviceable. There's 5 windows on this trailer, 2 on each side and then 1 in the door here. And come on inside, we'll take a look. Now this one's a split office. You have a 10-foot office in the front and a 10-foot office or storage in the back. It's got a 50 amp electrical package. Up here you can see the inside unit for the mini split AC. You've got 4-foot LED lights in the roof. It's a 7'6" interior height, so you got plenty of headroom here. Aluminum walls, aluminum ceiling. You've got a rubber coined floor down here. Now the windows, we can do the windows a number of different heights. If you want them lower to where you can see out of them sitting down, we can do that. A lot of people like them up high, that way people outside can't see what's in the trailer, but you can still see outside the trailer. Now like I said, this is a 10-foot office with a 10-foot back office or storage. You can use it either way, and we can do this breakdown any way you want it to. If you want a 8-foot office and 12-foot storage, we'll do that. Or if you want 16-foot office and 4-foot storage, we do that as well. And then back here on the back, we've got the same 2 windows on it. You've got a let-down ramp door, finished walls and ceiling in case you decide to use it as an office. And you have 4 D-rings built in on the floor here. You have to tie down any equipment, golf cart, side-by-side, anything you might be using on the job site. Come see us today. Let us build you out an office trailer. Number's 478-654-5350. We're located in Byron, Georgia. We've got nationwide delivery as well as nationwide financing with some of the top finance companies like Sheffield Financial. Again, that's 478-654-5350.